All right, welcome to another video. This video is going to show you 3 important text templates that you should make ASAP to help you out at your shop. So this is going over the message center, but if you're using the Pro Pack, you should still create these templates. This is just going to show you how to do it in the message center with Mitchell 1. So you click here on texting, and then come over here where it says settings, and then down here where it says templates. So real quick, you're able to get to the templates section. Now, quick explanation of the way the layout is in the Mitchell. When you want to send a text message, these are the 4 areas where you find it. So the templates that we're going to make for the whip screen and the order screen are what will be here. The templates for revision, schedule, and MPI. So if you're on those screens, that's where you want to make them. So if you make a template here and you say, hey, I can't find it, that's because you got to go to the actual button of it. So what we're going to start with today is the intro to your business. So you can give it a name, again, like intro to business. And so what's nice about this is that that's actually going to be telling you what the title is. This does not go out to your customer. That's just so you remember it later. And without getting into too much detail and typing up a perfect sentence, let me show you what you want to do. Is you're going to come over here to this section. Now what these do is these actually will pull in that custom information. So if you scroll down here, you'll see the shop name, and you drag it over. And then once you drag it over, it's got these brackets. So when I send this message, it's going to automatically fill in the shop name. It's great to use these brackets because if the name ever gets changed or updated, or let's say you notice a typo for whatever reason, 2 years you didn't notice it, or you become incorporated, it'll automatically fill that in from the setup. So you drag it over, then you want to put space, so click behind it and then hit space, or else it'll be all jumbled up. Then if you want, you can get your shop phone number, which is usually back up here. Again, click and then space, and then come back down here, and then we're looking for shop email. And then you can fill in anything extra, you can say is our company information if you want in the beginning. So you can type in here, so like our company information. And then that would basically be it. When you hit send, it'll say all this, and it'll fill in your shop name, your shop phone number, and your shop email. This is an important text message that you should template so that you can easily send that to the customer when they're standing in front of you, especially for customers who haven't actually worked with you before. Because when you do that, what happens is now you tell them, hey, we're going to text you certain things. So please be on the lookout. So let's take a look at another one. So call us back, for example. So there we go. We have it, call us back. And I'll make this one real simple as well. So please call us back. We have, we'll say, diagnosed your. And what's nice is you can come over here and you can drag over the make. So Chevy Silverado. And need to go over it with you. Right? And now one thing you could say is please call us back at. And that's nice when you send out a couple of them and you say, oh, you know what? I need to get used to filling these in, or I sent out a text message and I was getting the wrong results. Well, you just come in here and change it. So please call us back at shop phone number, or text back this number. There you go. So now we're saying to the customers who prefer to text you because they don't have time to call you, to text back. And then for those who those who want to call you, they got the phone number. So you send this out, and then you realize, hey, they're like, well, who is this? Well, either A, we didn't send out that first one, or maybe they deleted it. So you can come back later and go, I should add shop name at the end, a little space. So you start to learn and you start making them better over time. Now don't close the window up here. You want to come over and hit save. And so then you have that one. And then the last one that I would recommend you make, again, you're talking about trying to get done fast, is click in here. Your vehicle is ready. Now to save some time, I sped this section up, but you can see you just drag some stuff over and build it as you have the other ones. And now we're going to take a look at how you're going to use it. Alright, so now we're looking at an order screen, and if I want to send this out, I come down here, and if it says share, that means you're on the latest version. 8.3. If it says the word text right here, then you should update. But either way, it's going to come down here. You can hit share, and then you can hit text, And now those things I made, you see how they're sitting here? So your vehicle is ready, your vehicle ready. Those were obviously 2 I made. Intro to business, in process, or call us back. So if I say this one here, as you can see, it brings up the customer, and since we're already on a vehicle, it knows what vehicle, and it fills in the contact name. Your Saturn Aurora is ready for pickup at Brian's Complete Auto Repair. Please call us back at number and or text us here. So all you have to do is hit send, and that message goes out to your customer. So again, 3 templates you should really look at making, and I'm going to throw in a bonus one. If you've got another 2 minutes, we'll set up another one. So this one is on the scheduler, and let me show you this here. Upcoming appointment. So this could be a bonus one you can make. You can call it upcoming appointment, and then Brian, you don't have to put the customer's name, just your make model is scheduled for the start date and shop name. Please let us know if you can make it or need to reschedule. So that's something that you could manually text out. Something else you could consider is rewording this so that when your customer's standing in the shop, you could send it to them right there, so that they kind of have that locked in their mind. And then kind of like your doctor or dentist, you know, you may actually schedule it in the calendar. Some of your customers will schedule it because, you know, half your customers are comfortable with scheduling the appointment, and some of your customers will just wait till your text message automatically reminds them, assuming you have the Social Serum or the Pro Pack. If not, then make it a habit to build something like this so that you can go into the system, you know, quickly in the morning and send these out, or, you know, bring somebody in, however you're going to do it. So anyways, that's your bonus extra template that you should make on the scheduler tab. Upcoming appointment, even missed appointment. So one more bonus, right? So we missed your make model at shop name for an appointment on start date. What is the next day you can bring it in? So we're just trying to bring those customers back in. And these messages go out really fast when you hit the text button, and I'll show you where those are. Alright, so we're back in the scheduler, and we opened up one of the records. Let's say you clicked forward into the future. Right here, send text, and you can either send a blank message or you can grab either of the 2, and let's say they missed the appointment. As you can see down here, it says we missed your Saturn at the shop for appointment on, and it shows the date. What is the next time you can bring it in? So get those going, and if you don't have the message center, reach out to your local Mitchell One rep and they will get that handled for you.